Welcome guys, so today I am with OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite and I want to show you a few camera tricks in this phone. So I think that we are going to start at the first from this volume buttons that we can find right here on the left edge. So as you can see, when you click on the volume up or volume down, we can take photos. When you click and hold volume up or down, you will be able to take a series of the photo. And as you can see, we can take 20 photos. When you click on hold the shutter, we will also enable this series of the photos. Okay, so that was about the volume buttons and the shutter. Right now we can smoothly switch to the zoom. So as you can see, we got two presets. That's 1x, the normal lens, and the 2x, that's the photo lens, telephoto lens. But when you click on the already selected preset, we'll enable another one, the additional 5x, and also we can go for the 6x. And we'll get the slider. We can smoothly zoom in and zoom out, and the 6x quality is actually really good, definitely better than the Motorola Moto G82 5G. When you click in this place, you are able to go for the filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. That's actually a lot of different filters. And if you want to take a photo, for example, with this one, just select, click on the shutter, the photo was taken. And that's how it looks. To turn off filters, you have to click in this place and then select original. Right now, when you click in this place, you will enable more details on your photos. So take a look. Let's make comparison. Let's focus, for example, on this old phone keyboard. And right now, without this mode, okay, let's take a look. And right now with this high resolution mode, as you can see right here, we can find definitely more details, and we can also zoom in much closer. Okay, let's go back, and we can also adjust brightness level on the photos by tapping on the screen and moving this sun icon. To make it automatically, just tap on the screen once. When you click in this place, you'll be able to enable camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. So we can decide. After this time, the photo will be taken, and there it is. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's go for the settings, because right here we can find also a useful option. For example, we can power off or power on the shutter sound. We can decide if you want to get it or not. We can go for the shading methods, where we can enable show palm of my hand, the gesture selfie, and tap to capture. So the tap to capture works like that. When you click on the screen, you will just take photo. So it's useful when you hold the phone like that with your one hand. You don't have to reach for this bottom shutter. And the gesture selfie works that you have to just show the palm of your hand, and the selfie camera for sure, and the photo will be also taken. When you open the more modes, you can, for example, find the dual view video. So with this mode, as you can see, you can take photos and videos from the selfie camera and the rear camera at the same time. So that's how we can use it. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.